shit! I didn't get it! I didn't get it! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh man, he's about to bring the...
Oh my god, did you see my fat kick? I'm dead.
I saw the kick, I didn't see the thing. Oh my god. It's been a week. We're back at Precise.
And his old job.
And my old job, Hancock Tires. So let's go check out my bumper, because it only took about 2 or 3 days to get painted. So now I'm here to pick it up. Quick ass turnaround time. Wekfest is in a week. What's up, babe? Babe, you wanna go hang outside? So there it is. Bumper's back on. My spacers come in today, so that's gonna be for another video. But we're not gonna put my diffuser in until I get home, because I need to put rivets for my diffuser. We have a couple days until Wekfest, and right now I'm currently detailing the car. It's a fucking pain in the ass. I've been at it for 3 hours, so I might as well start recording now. So check it out. Got a $60 Chicago Electric DA polisher from Harbor Freight. It's alright, it does the job. This side of the car is done. All the swirls aren't out, but I'm okay. I guess I'm satisfied. I'm gonna take off this this gay ass sticker, so I can put the one on my windshield. So yeah, let's get back to work. I look fucking stupid as fuck with this shit, right? Anyways, I have this just because the DA polisher is so freaking loud. I'm probably gonna go deaf by the end of me finishing polishing the rest of my car. So. So Kevin just came to my work right now, so we can do his alignment, get it prepared for Wekfest. Check out this lip to fender fitment though, he's static, guys. So check it out. On Sunday, this side is rubbing like a motherfucker because he needs to pull more. We're on a hill, so that's why this side's, you know, not lower, but dude, look, he's rubbing away his wheel. It's freaking intense, guys. Alright guys, so I'm back home now. It's 11:30. I just got off of work. Yes, why are you barking? Why are you barking, puppy? What? Why do you always bark every time I record? Shut up, puppies. Anyways, so I'm back home and I need to take off my wheel hubs so I can drop by work tomorrow and press in my extended studs because the wheel adapters didn't fit. Alright, so lighting sucks right now. I left my flashlight at work. I don't have a flashlight at home. My lamp is out, so I hope this light suffices. So I was able to get this stud in, but in order for me to hit it through, I actually damaged some of these threads, so I had to re-tap it. So I'm not gonna spend too much time trying to hit it in, so I'm just gonna, like I said, it's 4-bolt, okay, 4-bolt, and the whole wheel hub comes out, and then I'll show you guys tomorrow during the day, and we're gonna press it in. The Wekfest Prep is real, guys.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
It's Tom here.
Brad.
Yeah, we taking over the channel.
Out here, bro.
Yeah.
I can hold the exhaust, bro.
We out here. Oh, shit. Hey.
Wait. I got some
10,
more,
bro. Brum, brum.
How do you flip this shit? Wekfest Prep is real. Brandon's taking my exhaust off while I polish the rest of the car. I can't see anything. Kevin's over here polishing his car. What?
What's up, my niggas?
Say hello.
Hello. Ah, shit.
Oh, dude, that's nice.
What?
Shine it. Shine light. Oh my goodness.
No, his car converted to me like.
course, eating breakfast.
Say all that shit again. Say all that shit.
Dog, I just got shit on my hand. I wiped it off, but look. Look.
Use this to pick it up.
That's nasty.
Man, trying to put on my thing.
Broom broom.
No, use that.
What?
No, do this one. Broom broom.
Oh, no, it's okay, just okay. It don't matter. We're gonna dry. It's tired. It's not real. It's young.
There's a ton of space right here.
What the fuck? There's wax on there, dog. There's no shine. There's no. If the wax isn't wiped off. So we're gonna cut like this. Okay. 50-50 overlap.
Let the exhaust
Okay.
hang real quick and put the bolt.
And then after that, we're gonna follow up with polish, and then wax.
Wax on, wax off, right?
That's all wax off, you know. All right, so check it out.
You
Ready?
sure?
Let's go.
Damn. Look at this shit. Real carbon fiber. Whoa! Oh my god. Crazy.
What is this?
Hey, Tommy, record it.
I am recording it, boss. Stop.
No, you can keep going.
For what? Where are you going out?
Wait, where are you breakfast?
Weak fitment. This is what you call fitment. Oh my god! The Wekfest.
Let me air out so I can test it real quick.
We're almost done prepping the cars for Wekfest this Sunday. And this guy out here, out of nowhere, calls me at
A
1:20.
rookie mistake, dog.
Rookie mistake. 1:20 in the morning. And what happened? Onto your brakes?
What? Oh, they're smoking, dude, because the caliper piston came out and I forced the caliper in. The brakes are riding my rotors and it's fucking smoking up the ass, dude.
Yep.
They're probably thinking I'm stealing shit right now.
Yeah. Woke my ass up. Drove that all the way over here. Look at all that hard work.
Fuck, it's hot.
Say it again.
No.
Look at these. Okay, these are real VIP modulars. Look at that. The concave face, everything.
Hey, I need a 14 or 17.
Go get it, tool man. Go. Woo! Naruto run.
Up top.
Got some strangers digging in my toolbox over there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Amazing. Ooh. Oh, nothing. Hey, shout out to me, freaking Brandon over here. I was about to go to sleep because I have work at 9 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. But his ass had to wake me up at 1:20 in the morning. Taking out Big Blue to save. Hey man.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. That wasn't gay at all. Okay, he didn't hear anything.
So we're here now. I got a quarter tank of gas or less. Check out that van though. Can you see it? Damn, check out them Fords though. So the gates finally opened. I don't know, probably be in like 30 minutes, hopefully. I still got work, like I said, so fuck. Damn, that was a long day. I didn't get a chance to record the full roll-in. I rolled in, I parked the car, got my ticket, and got out because I was late. Didn't get a chance to detail. I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow. Hopefully get there by 10 a.m. Show doesn't start till 1, so it gives me a window to detail. I'm actually editing this right now, as you can see. Check it out. Yeah. Anyways, catch me and Mr. Kaizen there. Team Zenith. Whoopity-doo. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog, Wekfest 2018. It's the 10th year, and we're really thankful and proud to be a part of it. So, yep. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.